Our dealer in Ukraine came out with a new video. It's pretty sweet. I do not know what he's saying, but hey, that's us. We got a pretty sweet order from Ukraine. This calls for a little music. Yep, you see on our website here, go to the products page, John Deere drill parts. You're gonna find those springs right down about 3 layers down, 3 levels down. I forgot to ask, how'd you hear about us? Okay, good, good. Like I said, we'll get it out Monday and you'll get it midweek, okay? All right, very good, thank you. All right. Wait, guys, where'd everyone go? They're already gone, they left me.
Ready is on the move.
Good morning. Good morning. Derek, drills. Hey guys.
How's it going? I think I'm good for
and donuts.
drills.
Turkey jerky. Just signed the papers this morning. We're official building owners.
Welcome to Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. Just getting ready for the next semi. As our Canadian friends would say, getting ready for the next semi. We honor everybody here. You can see where the racking was bolted down. There was 2 sections bolted together here. What we're going to end up with is 3 aisles that a sit-down forklift can go up and down. You got to have good coordination with those forklifts.
Yeah, that's the catch. That's why you'd be driving and I'd be
No. He said they had a blue and a yellow pallet jack and they borrow them out and they'd never come back. So they bought a pink one. He says no, nobody's ever asked to borrow it. With what I'm being told for the future, we're planning now for future expansion. So we're doing everything we can possibly think of to get this racking in place one time. Once we get product in here, it's going to be almost impossible to rearrange.
I should take the hose off. This happens like once a month, and I decided to do it today. And we don't even have refills. Jesse called the company, they're bringing more over. Right now? Yeah. So excited about this move. We're gonna have so much more space to work in the new place. Downside, we don't get the shop cat or get to be right next door to the steel.
I'm excited for the move, but dreading the great mess of paperwork on my desk.
You have the most to pack out of anybody.
I am a procrastinator, so
yes, you are. The most delicate.
We will wait till the last second, and then it'll be just really stressful.
Here's how I get you motivated. I say, honey, I'm gonna pack for you.
This one is, we have to be a little careful about it. It can be top heavy. It's a good thing you're good at dodging things. Like this upcoming forklift. Oh.
Very good there.
So we're looking forward to the new space. It's gonna have a lot of extra space. It's gonna be quiet. We're not gonna have to share it. And just a lot of opportunities to grow and to expand. We're gonna miss the guys, West Side Steel, and also Bear the Cat. Unless you guys wanna send him with. He was in the trailer the other day. All of us should give Matt a hard time when he shows up. Just be like, look who decided to show up.
So this space is massive, actually, but we don't have it all. Makes us look big, even though we're not that big of space. And we just rent a few tiny slivers of it. Hey guys, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Looks good. I'm glad we got a crane. Wish we had this crane in our new building. What's that?
I haven't really used the crane yet.
Oh.
We use the crane for the lid.
Oh yeah. That's a beast. That's USA made right there.
Watch your toes.
I like USA made. So this space here was, when I first got into this side of the building, I remember it was just a heap of junk. They had just put this office in for West Side Steel. And there's just a bunch of sheetrock and garbage back here. And I turned this tiny little corner into our shop where we did a lot of R&D. I think every month I probably added a fair bit of tools and hardware and equipment in here. So then we got to the point where it's just jammed full. Long since outgrown this space. We were just busting at the seams again. And there's just no room. We'd try to do projects back here and someone's tripping over someone else, or there's stuff in the way from other projects, and we made it work. The guys were very gracious and worked really well together and on multiple projects at the same time, but boy, there's something to be said about having enough space. A lot of memories back here. All right, let's go. Let's go to the shipping and receiving area. Hey guys, don't drop it on your foot. Safety first. We're gonna really miss the availability to steel. Westside provides steel to the public here in Fargo, West Fargo area. And boy, it was awesome. If we needed some, even if it was 2 inches or 20 feet, they typically have it in stock and right on the money, but we'll have to plan accordingly. But this is our shipping and receiving area. I think I started out on maybe one wall, or no, just in this little corner here. It quickly filled up. You can tell we have a semi-trailer in the dock, but it allowed us to have extra space. We could drive out there. Sometimes we had to unload the entire trailer to do something if we had to get something in the front, but usually we hand carried it out. Every once in a while, actually a lot of times we'd get past our space and we'd get in a little bit of trouble for that. And one comment was made, trying to put 10 gallons in a 5-gallon bucket was the analogy there, and it was probably true. Except for, hey, you can stack water, right? So that's what we did, we just kept stacking. Hey, you can't stack water, but we did stack our parts, so we were able to stick 20 gallons in a 5-gallon pail. We made it work. Oh good, the scale's still here, I can weigh myself. Gotta eat more. Hey Paul, you gonna get it all in there?
I think so, yeah.
You're gonna bring this tube laser too, right? Just slide it in the trailer. It's not ours. There was a 20-foot container right here. That was our first add of space. When we ran out of space in here, we bought a 20-foot container. Well, 20 feet doesn't get you very far. Then we started buying semi-trailers, and you can see one semi-trailer here. That's one of 3. That was our first one in the dock. So this was our second, then there was a third one added after. But Jesse's been really good at listing those as we've been moving. And so I think they're either all sold or most of them are going to be sold by the time we move.
Make sure there's a box. We get it all in there so it's not floating around. It's probably like, hey, Captain Obvious. How's it going, Jeff?
It's going. It's all coming together.
Your office is a mess.
Organized me.
Yeah, that's right.
So I had a professor in college that you'd go into his office and there was stuff all over his office. But he'd, you know, look for something, right here it is. And you'd go like,
How do you know?
there's an organized map.
Yeah, right? It's like my office right now.
That's all you can do.
But it's not organized. Hey, Hope. I thought this was gonna be done by the time I got back.
Almost got it all thrown. I need a few more minutes.
Oh, we did not talk about throwing. That is not in the vocabulary.
You know, you want to just throw everything in the process of packing and say, I'm a thrower. But otherwise, it's really exciting. You know, getting to the new place. Hopefully it'll be cleaned out and organized. That's my key.
Wow, this is the best my office has ever looked. Hey, I want to see something really fast.
How's the move treating you, Nate?
Can't complain. Honestly, everything's going better than I thought it would. So we're gonna show you where Hope's sticking tag is. She said that she really didn't want to get put in the back office with Jesse. So she's gonna be in the back office with Matt and Jesse.
Just pulled out the cardboard boxes, which is one of the last things to go.
Great job, guys.
All right, here we go.
You guys ready to go to the new building? Woo! Wrap it up here.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's go. Oh, don't mind me. Don't worry, guys. I got it. No worries. We were just commenting on how similar Jesse and I are. You know, we're so similar yet different enough. We really complement each other. My dad said it really well one time. Anything my dad says, you know, whether encouraging or not, usually it's really encouraging, but I really take his comments to heart. And he told people one time when I was around that they're good alone, but together they're excellent. And that was a slogan that we carried forward in this business from the very beginning. He helped me pick the name. And so that was our slogan, is good alone, together excellent. It's true with Jesse and I as twins, but it's also true with our team. It's true with farmers out there, customers who rely on us to help them with their equipment. We rely on them for feedback and also for obviously the business to be able to continue to grow. There's so many things that I probably was opposed to or I wouldn't have done on my own, and he just was like, we need to do this, we need to do this. And you know what, looking back, it's like, wow, that was a really good idea. And I'm really glad he made it happen. Otherwise I'd still be in the Stone Age on our website or other things, you know. When two partners always agree, one is unnecessary. We definitely got to come to common ground and have the same direction, but the two of us bring different elements and different ideas, different value to the conversation and the direction of the company. We have such a great board of advisors and people investing in us, family, friends, co-workers, farmers even. We're very thankful and very fortunate here.